All right, everybody. Today I've got the, if I can show it, the roller seat from Pittsburgh. I needed an extra chair. I got a Harley one sitting over there, but if I have somebody else they want to sit on, I got a little seat, but I didn't want to put big, like, bar stools type chairs in here. So I'm going to put that together on my next project, which is there. So anyway, I'm going to set you up on a tripod and we will put this thing together. Try to open this thing up. Taped. Hopefully this is going to be an easy one. Seat, bottom. No hardware, so this is going to be a quick one. It's already got the wheels on it. I mean, shit. Assembly procedures. Place the tool tray on the flat level surface. Insert large end of lift cylinder into the round opening at the bottom of the tray. Place seat over the top end of the lift cylinder. Once the seat is somewhat pressed down on the controlled firm manager on the cushion to press the parts together. Make sure the seat is properly and firmly assembled before use. Lift cylinder. I guess you just stick it like that. And this goes like so. Up. Down. That's it. This just presses into that just presses into the top, and that is it. I don't know what else to show you, but yeah, we'll see how sturdy it is. So anyway, thanks for watching, and yeah, that will be an easy project for you. Literally a minute. So like, subscribe, comment, thumbs up, all that good stuff, and we will talk at you next time.